My name is Philip Ouma. I'm a farmer from Nyanza, a rice farmer, and I do varieties of farming, even sweet potatoes. But at this moment, I just only want to talk about the challenges that I have in rice farming, because weather changes is one of the problems. But what I do find which is most troublesome to me is that sometimes this one, if you may excuse me a bit, I just only want to attack my friends here from the weather technology, because we often rely on their message so that we can get the adequate information, so that when we go to plant or when we go to prepare the farm, we rely on their message so that we can at least have something to develop on the rice farm. But here is a point whereby you are relying on their message, but when it reaches a point whereby they are telling you that it is going to rain, you are preparing the soil, and you are having your seeds, and it starts raining a little bit. But their initial report was that it is going to rain to a certain up to a certain period of time. But when it goes to some extent, you find that the rain disappears. It leaves you in a quandary whereby you cannot know what to do next. You are in the middle of nowhere. You've already planted your rice, and here is the rain. The rain has stopped. Now, the next thing is that the weather itself, I just only want to ask them if they can try and give us the adequate information, so that when we plant, we get that rainfall up to the necessary until the period when we are supposed to harvest. Now, the next thing is that we can have that rainfall, but it exceeds that period of time that is necessary. The rice is supposed to be harvested after 4 months. Then when it gets the 4th month, the rain is still pumping. The rain is still coming more. It still rains. So this is the point whereby I just really want to ask our friends from the meteorological department to a little bit clear the air for us, so that we can do something that helps us. And another thing is that when we have harvested the rice, that is another problem. You can harvest the rice, then it's still a cloudy weather. The rice cannot dry, and we do not have those machines to dry the rice. We depend and we rely on sun to dry our rice. That's another problem. Then there is another problem that it just goes with weather. When sometimes we do irrigation in rice farming, we do irrigation. Then when you have done that irrigation, it grows. The rice grows. Then there is a sudden change of weather that comes in. That you will find that that water that is in the rice pan is evaporating very fast. That cannot sustain that period of the rice in the rice pan. So we have a lot of problems and challenges that we are facing as rice farmers.